You are listening to MM Story YouTube channel. Today's news headlines. Government emphasized reconciliation and development. Security strengthened with Cobra deployment. Kuki assumed Sar's DCP. Debate over proposed state-integrated register SIR continues. Concern over violence in hill areas. Civil society groups ethnic protests. The news in detail. Chief Minister Imran Khan Singh stated the government's priorities to ensure justice and economic inclusion and reconciliation among communities affected by the prolonged ethnic conflict. The administration has reiterated its commitment to peace-building measures, infrastructure development, livelihood support, and dialogue among different groups in the state. The government believes that sustainable peace can only be achieved through inclusive development and mutual trust. The central government has deployed 2 battalions of CRPF Elite Cobra Commando Battalion for Resolute Action Force in Manipur. These units specialize in jungle warfare and counter-insurgency operations. The deployment is intended to strengthen security operations in sensitive areas and prevent further violence and continuing tensions in several districts. Senior IPS officer Mukesh Singh has officially taken service as the new Director General of Police of Manipur. Authorities expect the new policy shift to improve coordination among state police, central forces, and intelligence agencies as the state continues to deal with security challenges arising from ethnic tensions. The Kuki Inpi Manipur strongly opposed the proposed state-integrated register SIR, arguing that implementation under the current circumstances could negatively affect vulnerable communities. The organization has called for greater consultation and safeguard before any such measure is introduced. The issue has added another dimension to ongoing political ethnic discussion in the state. Reports for recent days indicate continued security concerns in areas such as Konsankul and along key road corridors. Community organizations have expressed concern about attacks and disruption and the safety of civilians. Security forces remain deployed in vulnerable locations to prevent escalation. Several civil society organizations have continued demonstrations regarding missing persons, security concerns, and community rights. Student group, tribal organizations, local bodies are demanding stronger government action and greater accountability from authorities. This protest reflects the continuing social political tensions across different regions of Manipur. Although intensity of violence reduced compared to the earlier period, Manipur continued to face challenges stemming from the ethnic conflict that began in 2023. Disputes over land, identity, governance, security remain central issues. Analysts noted lasting peace will require political dialogue, rehabilitation of displaced persons, and confidence building among communities. The Reserve Bank of India (RBI) decided to keep the repo rate unchanged at 5.25% during its last monetary policy committee meeting. The central bank cited global uncertainties, rising crude oil prices, inflation concern while maintaining a balanced approach to support economic growth. This decision comes as relief for home loan borrowers because lending rates are unlikely to increase immediately. Along with keeping interest rate unchanged, RBI announced several measures to attract foreign capitals and strengthen dollar inflows into India. The move aims to stabilize the rupee, which has been under pressure due to the rising oil prices and foreign investor outflows. Economic data released this week indicated India's GDP growth may have slowed during the January-March 2026 quarter. Economics estimate growth at around 7.2% compared with 7.8% in the previous quarter. While government spending in services remains strong, exports and industrial activity face challenges from weaker global demand. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Leather Foundation for Development project worth more than 18,770 crore in South Gujarat. Projects are expected to improve infrastructure, transportation, energy, and economic development in the region. Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) has forecast thunderstorm, lightning, and rainfall in parts of Delhi, NCR, and Eastern India. A yellow alert has been issued for several districts of West Bengal. Authorities have advised residents to remain cautious during severe weather conditions. Meteorologists are closely monitoring the possible returns of El Nino conditions later this year. Experts warn the weaker monsoon rainfall could affect agriculture, water availability, and food prices across India if the phenomenon strengthens. Counseling and admission activities for the major engineering institutions continue across the country. Registration processes for technical admission and competitive examinations are underway in several states, affecting thousands of students preparing for higher education.